I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select eForm. Choose a form. Next, search and select an action Autonomy. Connect to Autonomy. Autonomy connected successfully. Next, choose a list. Choose a tag. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Autonomy dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. You can see here that the data was successfully received in Autonomy. Thanks for watching.